Today's topic is very exciting because we are going to learn English conversation for travel. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Press the like button and turn on the notification bell because on this channel, we practice English every single day and we speak with confidence. Now, are you ready to improve your English for travel? Excited tone. Let's begin our journey. Part 1. At the airport. Confident tone. Imagine you are at the airport. You walk to the check-in counter. Staff. Good morning. May I see your passport? You. Good morning. Yes, here it is. Useful sentences. I would like to check in. Here is my ticket. Is this the line for boarding? How many bags can I carry? Where is gate 12? What time does boarding start? Is the flight on time? Can I have a window seat? Slight smile. Repeat after me. Slow voice. I would like a window seat. Very good. Security check conversation. Officer, please put your bag on the belt. You. Okay. Officer, do you have any liquids? You. No, I don't. Serious tone. Remember this important sentence. I don't have anything to declare. Part 2. Arrival and immigration. Calm, clear voice. You arrive in a new country. Immigration officer. What is the purpose of your visit? You. I am here for tourism. Or, I am here for business. Confident voice. Other useful answers. I will stay for 7 days. I am staying at a hotel. This is my first time here. Smile. Simple, clear, confident. Part 3. Taking a taxi. Normal, friendly tone. You leave the airport and need a taxi. You. Excuse me, how much is the fare to the city center? Driver. It's $25. You. Okay, that's fine. Useful phrases. Please take me to this address. Can you use the meter? How long will it take? Can you drop me here? Keep the change. Hand gesture, like giving money. Part 4. At the hotel. Professional tone. You arrive at the hotel reception. You. Hello, I have a reservation. Receptionist. What's your name? You. My name is Rahman. Useful sentences. I booked a room online. Can I check in early? What time is breakfast? Is Wi-Fi free? Can I get the room key? Serious tone. If there is a problem, the air conditioner is not working. There is no hot water. Can you change my room? Confidence is key. Part 5. At a restaurant. Friendly, happy voice. Now you are hungry. You go to a restaurant. You. A table for 1, please. Waiter. This way, please. Useful phrases. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I would like chicken pasta. No spicy, please. Can I have some water? The bill, please. Slight whisper. If the food is good, the food is delicious. If something is wrong, excuse me, this is too salty. Part 6. Shopping. Energetic tone. You go shopping. You. How much is this? Seller. It's $50. You. That's too expensive. Light laugh. Other useful sentences. Do you have a smaller size? Can I try this on? Do you accept credit cards? Can you give me a discount? Confident voice. Never be shy. Part 7. Asking for directions. Curious tone. You are lost. Don't panic. You. Excuse me, how can I get to the museum? Stranger. Go straight and turn left. Useful phrases. Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? I'm looking for this place. Is there a bus station nearby? Smile. People usually love to help tourists. Part 8. Emergency situation. Serious, slow voice. Very important part. If you feel sick, I need a doctor. I don't feel well. Where is the hospital? If you lose something, I lost my passport. I need help. Can you call the police? Slow tone. Stay calm. Speak clearly. Confidence practice. Shadowing section. Normal speed. Now repeat after me, loudly. I am traveling for vacation. Pause. I have a reservation. Pause. Can you help me? Pause. I would like to order food. Pause. Where is the restroom? Pause. Excellent. Bonus small talk for travel. Relaxed, friendly tone. Sometimes people talk to you. Questions like, where are you from? You answer, I'm from Bangladesh. How do you like this country? You say, it's beautiful, I love it. Other small talk. The weather is nice today. This city is amazing. The people are very friendly. Simple, easy, natural. Important travel tips. Speak slowly. Don't worry about grammar mistakes. Use simple sentences. Smile while speaking. Practice before traveling. Confidence is more important than perfect grammar. Outro. Energy up. So today you learned English conversation for airport, hotel, restaurant, shopping, directions, and emergencies. Now, tell me in the comments, which country do you want to visit? If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because we are learning English together, step by step. Smile voice. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never be afraid to use English. Bye-bye.